just feeling this look, okay? Thank you. Victoria's Secret, call me because I'm ready. Hey, okay. I just want to be a Victoria's Secret model for the sake of wanting to be a bad bitch, like, okay? So let's turn into a Victoria's Secret model. Why is that so awkward? First step is depuffing because we're puffy. And every Victoria's Secret model is not puffy, I think. I don't know. Let me show you guys what my inspiration is. As you can see, we have the queens themselves, okay? The queens. So, I like their makeup and we're gonna try to recreate them. Let's see if we can do it. One thing about the Victoria's Secret models, they have very refreshing skin. Like, makeup, but skin. Skin but better. It's giving skin but better. So we're gonna try to do a skin but better look. Yeah, we got this. Okay, first, I feel like my hair is gonna be in an updo. Updo? I don't know. Should it be an updo? I don't know. Let's just go with the vibes. So first, I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Bea Daily Hydrating and Setting Mist. I just want my skin to be super, ow, that hurt, super moisturized and super hydrated. We're gonna go in with Mrs. CeraVe. And I like to add a lot of moisturizer on. But this one is very, very, very thick. She's on. The skin feels radiant. The skin feels good. We love her. This is gonna be a good tutorial if you're gonna be a Victoria's Secret angel for Halloween. You know, in the bedroom, you just wanna spice it up a little bit. You never know. Hey, you never know. So one thing I noticed with the girls, they have like a shimmer going on their eyelid, which is fun because I never do a shimmer. So we're gonna do a little shimmy shimmy, a shimmy wimmy. I actually think this is a better angle for you guys. It's super close up and super personal, but that's what it takes. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add on this Hourglass concealer to the lid because we need a good base, and the base is gonna take us far. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna add on okay. Why am I acting like a freaking beginner right now, you guys? Like I haven't been doing my makeup. It's because I haven't. Oh, did I do too much? Frick. Might have did too much. Okay, we're gonna blend her out with a beauty blender. Okay, I'm just gonna set my eye. We're gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible to just set her. Y'all, I keep hitting my freaking pimple and it hurts so bad. It's okay. The eye is set. It looks set enough for me. What do y'all think? Okay, we're gonna take Mrs. What is this called? We're gonna take Miss Black Radiance and we're gonna do a little bit of a smokier eye because the girls, they have like a smoky brown natural. So we're gonna use this Real Techniques brush and I'm just gonna dab it. Add some on there. That's a little dark. That was a little dark. Okay, it's fine. We're just gonna start in the corner and work our way in. As long as it's not black, because I feel like black is definitely too harsh, but something like this is perfect. I'm just gonna mainly focus on the outer corner. Mind you guys, I literally never do eyeshadow, so this is just different for me. And it's like, we're freaking Victoria's Secret model, like, we gotta look the part, you know? Okay, and on the main lid, we're gonna do shimmer. We're gonna do a shimmer. Okay, we're gonna take this brush right here. This is like a flat brush. And I have this really pretty color from this highlighter palette from Juvia's Place. Look, this is so pretty to me. Like, what? So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. There we go. Ugh, this looks too... Okay, hold on. Let's spread this out. Let's blend this out. Like that. I like this. I like this. I put y'all back out. We're gonna do the other side. Well, I need to blend that, but I'm gonna come back. Okay, we're gonna blend her out more in the crease. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And this is the shade Koforu in the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place. We're just gonna kind of put this on top. Yeah, I think that looks prettier. I like it more, I like this eyeshadow more muted. Okay, we like her. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I cannot focus for shit. I feel like my attention span these days, y'all. I'm just like, what the helly? Okay, we're gonna take this pencil from Maybelline and it's in black. It's like a little crayon, if you will. I don't know, what is the fuck is it called? It's just a eyeliner pencil, so we're gonna go in and add a little bit of eyeliner on top to kind of just bring some depth to our eyes. Because I noticed the girls, they have a bit of a smoky eye, so we're gonna add this. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna add some more later, but for now, let's get into the skin. Okay, for skin, we're gonna use two products. These are our L'Oreal. This one is the Lumi Glotion, so I'm gonna put this first, and then we're gonna go in with the Le Glow Tint, and we're gonna use this as our foundation today. So I'm literally just gonna add this to the high points of my face, and we can blend this in with our fingers. We have to be glowing because we're an angel, of course. Duh. Let's go in with our Le Glow Tint. Le Glow. And this already has shimmer, so I really, really like it. We're gonna buff this out with a foundation brush. And the idea is skin like. I'm making sure that this is hella blended out. Because when I tell y'all, y'all want your skin to literally be as seamless as possible. Going in with our cream contour, and it's jump scare. There's like literally nothing left in the freaking pan, but we're gonna make it work. This is our Patrick Ta Duo palette. She's infamous over here in this household. It's actually time to replace it. It's crazy because I hit pan on this obviously and this, but I just be using the cream much more, clearly. Carve out that chin. I'm also gonna drag a little bit down the side of my neck. I'm gonna blend this up into my hairline because that is going to make us look like we're just glowing our little hearts away. I love a bronzed look, you guys. Also, I like to blend upward, and then I'm just gonna take whatever's left over on the brush and go down the sides of my nose. Is anybody else hungry? I feel like anytime I start doing something important, I'm like, I could go for a matcha or like a croissant right now. Like, hello? Oh my god, I want to tell you guys a story time, but I'm like, what story should I tell you guys? Pretty. A little bit down my nose. I do some around my lip too. Now it's time to blend her out. So we're gonna use this Real Techniques brush and just go ahead and blend out. You can't forget to go down your chin and blending up. My grandma used to be like, suck your cheeks in and add your blush. I feel like the first time I saw Victoria's Secret fashion show, I was like, and as y'all know, the fashion show is coming up and I will be tuned all the way in. I don't know if you guys saw, everybody's had to see. I know you guys saw it. Angel Reese is walking in the Victoria's Secret fashion show. She's actually the first WNBA player to walk in this fashion show. So she's literally making history. I'm like, what the hell? That is so lit. That is so freaking cool. Like, just imagine walking down the runway of Victoria's Secret and being like, I made history. Like, what? That's unreal. So in honor of her, we are turning ourselves into a Victoria's Secret angel. Oh my god, it's so fitting for her name. Angel. Angel is the first angel. What? From the WNBA. That's fire. That is fire. Okay, let's blend out a little bit more, like our life depends on it, because it does. Concealer time. We're gonna go in with Mrs. Hourglass again and put a little bit under the eye. We're not gonna do too much because we're an angel and we have perfect skin naturally, so we don't need all that. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit and just lightly go down my nose. I'm doing very light strokes, you guys. Okay, now we gotta wait and let her dry down a bit. I have this little fluffy brush right here. We're gonna get to blending. This is blending out so pretty. I like to blend her out with a brush because it doesn't pick up the product and it just really spreads it really nicely, as opposed to using a beauty blender first. That is my personal preference. We're gonna blend out the eyes last because that's what I always like to do. That nose looks good as the nose looks good as what? Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, that just got me high. That's why I love concealer. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Alright, for real. Now we're locked in. We're gonna dry it and blend it up. Look at this eye, you guys. This looks so good. I'm gonna go over this with a beauty blender. We'll just spray her a little bit for good measure with the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. And I'm just gonna dab. I like to do the edges. My edges. I already look like an angel. I look like a Victoria's Secret angel. Okay. Oh my god, I smiled too much. We need to blend out the under eye. Because we gotta set it. I can't get too comfortable. Hold on now. Okay, using this. I'm gonna mix it with this L'Oreal. I mean, this is not L'Oreal, Laura Mercier setting powder. Oh god, I took out too much. Oh no. I'm gonna set it lightly. I like to just dust it across first. And then I'm gonna set it after. As long as you can successfully set your under eye, I feel like your makeup will look good. Rule of thumb. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder. I don't even know what shade. This is shade medium deep. I like to tap it on the back of my hand because I want it to be even when I'm putting it on my face. Oh my god, this like makes me like blurred out and makes me look so perfect. Like what? Now I'm gonna go back in with this Blurfection and I'm gonna put this on under my eyes. We're gonna do the finishing touches and I'm gonna show you guys my final reveal. Blush. Okay. Let's go blush. They're not wearing a lot of blush though. They're wearing very minimal blush. So for blush, I like to use my Juvia's palette. Thank you. And but their blush is very natural. I'm just gonna use Jamada. Yeah, I'm gonna use Jamada. And put it right here. Cause I feel like they're not wearing a lot. I can tell it comes in a lot for them. Right here. I'm just dusting across my forehead and my chin just to bring a little color, but nothing crazy. Now we're gonna go in with a little bronzy. We're gonna use the Black Radiance palette. I'm gonna use this. What do we think? I'm dragging it down my neck too, you guys, because it's necessary. And like we said, blend into that damn forehead. Okay. Like that. Except for this needs to be blended out more because it looks a goddamn mess. Okay. Blend, blend, blend. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. That looks good. I had to get a banana. I was so hungry. Okay, so we just finished the lip and I added some eyeliner, y'all saw. And now we're gonna add this on because I feel like it helps it to stay glowy. I feel like that just brought us to life. Now, I'm gonna add this L'Oreal on top. So I think our makeup is done. Is this giving Victoria's Secret model? I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Nah, this is fire. I'm feeling this look, okay? Thank you. Victoria's Secret, call me because I'm ready. I'm ready. This is so tea, you guys. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what video you want to see next, or if you want to see any Halloween looks, because I feel like that would be super fun. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because you should. Hit the red button down below and hit the bell notification so you can stay tuned in for every time I post. Okay, bye.